Date place ba sa Valentine's ang hanap ninyo? Kung oo, watch this video. Kumain kami recently sa Yurakuen, isang Japanese resto na located sa Diamond Hotel, Philippines. Nag-o-offer sila ng a la carte, only yakiniku at syempre, teppanyaki all you can. Kompleto from appetizers like tamagoyaki at dilis, kani salad and green seaweed salad, tuna and salmon sashimi, sushi rolls like California maki and tempura maki, miso and wakame soup, meats like rib eye, short ribs, lamb chops, pork belly, and chicken thigh. Meron din silang seafood like salmon, shrimp, scallop, at squid. Mixed fried rice and veggies at homemade ice cream for dessert. Sobrang saya panoorin ni Chef magluto, may showmanship talaga at paapoy pa. Lahat ng meats at seafood perfectly cooked and well seasoned. Yung fried rice ang bango at umaapaw sa sahog. Yung mga sashimi fresh na fresh. Yung dessert winner sa sarap. At syempre, 5-star experience talaga. Rate per person is 3,999 pesos net. Kumpleto lahat mula appetizers, meat, seafood, juices, and iced tea hanggang dessert. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng winner na date place this coming Valentine's, pa-reserve na agad sa Yurakuen. That's it. Thank you for watching.